Hi everyone, my name is Afusa and I welcome you all to my page. Today I'm going to teach you how to apply makeup by yourself. You don't need to be calling makeup artist every time to about in a party. Just follow what I'm going to teach you. It's very simple. So if you have done your hair, make sure you pack it very well so you'll be able to see your face clearly. So you have your plastic gel with your foam tefimon for any pot. We have your soap. We pour it small like this thing or the lori foam. So you will now take your water, pure water. You put it like this. You can drink small of the water. So you now take the foam. Or what you pour by off pour. Sorry, but say room. Or what apply by. You call it wash your face first. Wash your face first. You wash all your face. For segbo tada. After that, we'll put this one, we'll put it down at the party in you. So, lẹ́yìn you, or we move primer. See primer. It's primer. You now put it like this, pim. Or hard there. CBT gbogbo àwọn ṣe nwa. Hard. You know jẹ́ kí foundation kó dúró dáadáa. Then you will take your foundation like me now. I'm using two shades of foundation. Two shades of foundation. Two shades. It can light. It can light. So you open it very gently. You now put it like this. Pim. You know. So it's to bá ti kò níbi ẹnu rẹ̀ or kò sí ọ̀fọwọ́ kò sódà. So you will now take the second one. So o lè fọwọ́ sí inú. How do you pim. So you will now take your foam, foundation foam. So you'll be applying it like this, very gently. On the color full. Okay, baby. Very well. On the go fast it over to apply. As you can see, that my face is coming out very well. You apply everything. Possible for apply you apply it very well. Don't forget to touch your neck. Alright. So I think we are good with that one. So foam, then you put it down like this. So you now apply your concealer now. Oh, this way. Apply your concealer. Then you take the foam again. Then or they go lemon or lego. Don't leave any traces, so don't any traces. Right now, we will now draw our brow, our eye pencil. Same way at the Paris foundation. As you can see, my face is glowing already. Light here, continue. Can you see? Then you will now take your pencil. Take a pencil, more say anything around, make it light. Makeup. Don't let it stick. It's light, full light. Come. So that one to not be so obvious. You are so obvious. Or apply our ceramic tó kù tó máa apply ẹ̀ sí. So make it light. The more don't feel, make it light. Tó bá ṣe light sí, so only makeup ó ṣe make sense, you know. So don't be like àwọn ará oko. Àwọn fàfàkùfà sójú. Just follow what I'm teaching you, and you will not regret it. As you can see, my pencil is very light. So right now, you will now take your contour. You will not fi contour gbogbo àwọn pencil tí o ti apply. This is my contour. So you will now take it very gentle. You trace it out. Or trace it right. Or trace it right. Take another one. Or trace it right. Trace it. Take it kinu. Rhyme. As you can see that I'm taking my time. Don't rush. When you are doing makeup, don't rush. Can you see? It's very nice. So right now, we will apply our eyeshadow. Take your eyeshadow. So ó depend lórí aṣọ tó o bá fẹ́ wọ̀. You know determine eyeshadow tó o bá fẹ́ lò. Like me now, I want to use blue. I'm even using it already. So you apply it very well. O lè jẹ́ kí yun kọ́tíìkì dáadáa. Torí eyeshadow yun gangan ni oge oní makeup artist apply ẹ̀ dé gbogbo òkè báwọn. Can you see? It's coming out well. So right now, we'll now apply our powder. Take your powder. And your brush. So you apply it very gently. You apply it very gently. Almost here. There. Apply it very well. Apply your neck too. It's very, very important. Má gbàgbé láti kún ọrùn o. The next thing tá a ṣe báyìí ni applying of lipstick. We are almost done. So me, I want to use red lipstick. So you start from this area is trace it out. Wọ́n jẹ́ kó wá obvious. Then the up then you rub it together. Ọba ti fẹ́ orí ni. So right now, all wa say kini sign tí mo ń ṣe sẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ o pé if you laugh inú ni ó wà very, very attractive sí àwọn èèyàn bouncer rẹ̀. Èyí bouncer o. So this one, use your hand. Ìka yìí òun lọ lò wá báyìí. Yóò wá tẹ́rín wálẹ̀ báyìí. Lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ méjèèjì ló fi ṣe. Ó wá mú ìka òun, ó fi ra dáadáa. Ó wá fi síbi imú rẹ̀ wálẹ̀ like this. Bí àwọn Indian wọ́n ṣe máa ń ṣe òun. Then your upstairs too. That one too is very important. Your upstairs. So right now, the last thing that was saying ni wípé we are going to spray our makeup. Kó bá tètè watery Tabade party tan lo. You will now take your makeup spray. Make sure pé oji pọ̀ yí pọ̀ dáadáa torí àwọn alcoholic tó fi ṣe àwọn kíní. So you now open it. So make sure you close your eyes. Close your eyes for like 2 seconds. You need or feel it spray ojú rẹ dáadáa. Spray it very gently. Spray it very well. Then you can open your eyes. Ó wá mú abẹ̀bẹ̀. Ó wá fi yàn bye bye. Tada! I hope you all enjoy today's lesson. Don't worry, our next class maybe we are going to teach ourselves how to cook or how to sew or how to do hair or how to do anything, sir. I have the idea that I can teach you guys. You are my friends, you are my family, you are my fans. So come at Sirawani. I want Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Afusa Comedy, and make sure you like, comment, and share this video. See you next time. I love you all.